Hi friends, welcome to my channel Karthi Little Express. In our today's video, let's see what happened during Kurukshetram, after Kurukshetram, who died in Kurukshetram and who were survived in Kurukshetram. Without wasting our time, let's go to our first day of Kurukshetram. Kurukshetram, day 1. Who killed Uttara Kumara, son of King Virata? It's Shalya. Uttara was the first hero who died in Kurukshetram. Father King Virata, mother Sudeshna. He fought for Pandavas. Who killed Shweta, son of King Virata? His Bhishma. Shweta, father King Virata, mother Sudeshna. He fought for Pandavas. He is the brother of Uttarakumara. Kurukshetram, day 2. Who killed Bhishma Charity? Satyaki. After the death of Bhishma Charity, Bhishma's horses lose their control and carried Bhishma away from battlefield. Kurukshetram, day 3. Friends, it's not clearly mentioned who had died from day 3 to day 6. So let's see briefly about what happened from day 3 to day 6 in Kurukshetram. On day 3, Abhimanyu and Satyaki combined to defeat Gandhara forces of Shakuni. Bhishma killed many soldiers of Pandavas. Kurukshetram, day 4. On day 4, Bhima killed 8 brothers of Duryodhana. Kurukshetram, day 5. On day 5, Pandavas again lost many soldiers because of Bhishma attacks. Kurukshetram, day 6. On day 6, Drona caused immeasurable loss of Pandavas' soldiers. Bhima attacked Duryodhana. Upapandavas destroyed Ashwadhama chariot. Upapandavas were the sons of Draupadi. Kurukshetram, day 7. Who killed Shanka? Drona. Shanka, father King Virata, mother Sudeshna, he fought for Pandavas. Kurukshetram, day 8. On day 8, who killed 17 sons of Dhritarashtra? Yes, it's again Bhima. Kurukshetram, day 9. Who killed the demon Alambusha? It's Gatotkaja. On day 9 of Kurukshetram, one important thing that happened is Krishna revealed to Bhishma that he is the Supreme Parabrahman. Let's see what happened on day 10. On day 10, Pandavas brought Shikandi in front of Bhishma. Shikandi's arrows protruded into Bhishma's body. Bhishma was laid on bed of arrows. Kurukshetram, day 11. On day 11, after the fall of Bhishma, the chief commander of Kaurava forces, Karna entered the battlefield. Duryodhana made Dronacharya as the supreme commander of Kauravas. Duryodhana planned to capture Yudhishthira but failed by Arjuna on day 11. Kurukshetram, day 12. Who killed Bhagadatta? Arjuna. Bhagadatta, his father is Narakasura, kingdom Prajotisha. He fought for Kauravas. On day 12, Dronacharya, to fulfill the wish of Duryodhana, again tried to capture Yudhishthira alive but failed. Kurukshetram, day 13, Padmayuham. Who is the son of Pandavas who killed tens of thousands of warriors in Padmayuham? He is Abhimanyu. Abhimanyu, wife Uttara, father Arjuna, mother Subhadra, children Parikshit. He fought for Pandavas. Who killed Lakshmana Kumara, son of Duryodhana? Abhimanyu. Lakshmana Kumara, father Duryodhana, mother Bhanumati, he fought for Kauravas. On day 13, who stopped the Pandavas except Arjuna from helping Abhimanyu in Padmayuham? He is Jayadratha. Jayadratha, wife Dusala, kingdom Sindh, he fought for Kauravas. He is the only brother-in-law of Kauravas and Pandavas. On day 11, even though our little Abhimanyu fought as a ferocious lion, but great Kauran warriors Drona, Dushasana, Ashwadama, Karna, Shakuni, Duryodhana, Kripachari, Kritavarma, etc. defeated him and killed him in Padmayuham. After learning the truth of Abhimanyu's death, Arjuna ought to kill Jayadratha the next day. If not, he will jump into the fire. Kurukshetram, day 14. Arjuna takes revenge. Who killed Jayadratha, son of Vridakshetra? Yes, it's Arjuna. Who killed Vikarna, third son of Dhritarashtra? Bhima. Vikarna, father Dhritarashtra, mother Gandhari, he fought for Kauravas. He is the only Kaurava who supported Draupadi and raised his voice against Duryodhana during Draupadi Vastraharan. That is why Bhima felt sorry after killing him. Who killed Ghatotkacha, son of Bhima? It's Karna. Ghatotkacha for the Bhima, mother Hidimbi, and he fought for Pandavas. Kurukshetram, day 15, fall of Drona. Who killed Drupad, father of Draupadi? Dronacharya. Drupada, father Prishita, mother Vishaka, he fought for Pandavas. His children were Shikandi, Satyajit, Draupadi, and Drishtadyumna. Who killed King Virata, father-in-law of Abhimanyu? It's again Guru Drona. Virat Maharaj. Wife Sudeshna, he fought for Pandavas, and his children were Uttarakumara, Uttara, wife of Abhimanyu, Shweta, and Shanka. Who killed Dronacharya, father of Ashwatthama? It's Drishtadyumna. Dronacharya, father Bharadwaja, wife Kripi, he fought for Kauravas, children's Ashwadhama. On day 15, on the night of 15th day, Kunti approached Karna and requested him to spare Pandavas. Karna promised her he would spare Pandavas except Arjuna. Kurukshetram, day 16. On day 16, after the fall of Dronacharya, Duryodhana made Karna as the supreme commander of Kauravas. Fearless Karna caused heavy damage to Pandavas' army. Bhima got Karna but spared him for Arjuna. Who killed Banasena, son of Karna? It's Bhima. Banasena further Karna, he fought for Kauravas. Who killed Dushasana, second son of Dhritarashtra? Bhima. One thing to be remembered is Bhima is the only one who killed 100 sons of Dhritarashtra during Kurukshetra war. Dushasana, father Dhritarashtra, mother Gandhari, fought for Kauravas. After killing him, Bhima drank his blood and carried some to smear the untied hair of Draupadi, which is left untied from Draupadi Vastraharan. Kurukshetram, day 17, fall of Karna. Who killed Karna, adoptive son of Atirada? Arjuna. Karna, adoptive parents Atirada and Radha. Spiritual father Suryadev. Biological mother Kunti. Fought for Kauravas. Kurukshetram, day 18. Fall of Duryodhana. That is, fall of Kauravas. On day 18, after the fall of Karna, Duryodhana made Shalya as the supreme commander of Kauravas. Who killed Shalya, brother of Madri? Yudhishthir. Shalya, sister Madri, nephews Nakula and Sahadeva. Even though he is the uncle of Nakula and Sahadeva, Duryodhana tricked him and joined in his Kauravas army. Who killed Shakuni, king of Gandhara? Sahadev. Shakuni, sister Gandhari, nephews Kauravas. He fought for Kauravas. Who killed Uluka, son of Shakuni? It's Nakula. Uluka, father Shakuni, mother Arshi, he fought for Kauravas. Who killed Duryodhana? It's Bhima. As I told you earlier, Bhima is the only one who killed 100 Kauravas. Who killed Drishtadyumna, brother of Draupadi? It's Ashwadhama. On the 18th day night, Ashwadhama entered Pandava's camp and killed Drishtadyumna and 5 sons of Draupadi who were called as Upapandavas while they are sleeping. After Kurukshetram, let's see who are the 12 great warriors who survived after Kurukshetram. 12 warriors include from Pandava's side Sri Krishna, Pandavas, Satyaki and Yutsu. From Kaurava's side Ashwatthama, Kripacharya, Vrishaketu and Kritavarma. Finally, Yudhishthira was made as the king of Hastinapur after the Kurukshetram, but he only ruled for 36 years and passed the crown to Parikshit, the only grandson of Pandavas, and he is the son of Abhimanyu. After that, Pandavas started their journey to heaven. Finally, to attain moksha, they started walking towards the Himalayas, but only one reached the heaven. First, Draupadi died because she showed partial love towards Arjuna. Then Sahadeva died because he is very much proud of his wisdom. Then Nakula died because he is very much proud of his good looks. Then Arjuna died because he is very much proud of his archery skills. Then Bhima, he was a glutton. Then Yudhishthira was the only one who attained to heaven. That's it, friends. That's all about the 18 days of Kurukshetra. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Let's meet in our next video. Thank you.